We call this Q&ray. The first Q comes from, what's your name?
Jyoti.
Hi.
I was wondering, what's the worst thing you've ever cooked?
Well, geez, you're really trying to bring the room down, aren't you?
Trying to make myself feel better,
The thing that I find most challenging about cooking is the discipline of baking. My older sister is very talented at it and has been since she was a small girl. I have a complex because when I was a child, I don't know, I was 8 or 9, for my mom's birthday, I tried to make her a thing called a lemon cottage cake. It's a cake that's supposed to be light and rises, and you pour this lemon curd over it, and it sort of settles. It didn't work, and it was really traumatic, and therefore I decided I hate baking. And there were other years and other baking incidents, but when I have to make Christmas cookies, you don't want to be around me. Nobody wants to come over to eat them because I'm so aggressive after finishing baking them.
Thanks.
Go ahead, Joey. Go one more. Hi there.
Hi, Rachel.
What's your name?
My name's Vicky.
Hi, Vic.
And first of all, I want to thank you because you're the one that started my husband cooking with the 30-minute meals.
Hey, guess what? Vicky. What's your husband's name?
Ricky and Vicky.
Oh, that's adorable. Ricky and Vicky, that's so cute. I go brush my teeth. So, to all the gentlemen out there watching, if you don't cook, the quickest way to anybody's anything is through their stomachs. Get your in the kitchen. Yes, Vicky, was that the whole point? Thank you, Vicky.
My name's Joan.
Hi, Joan, what's up?
So my husband does all the cooking at our house, so I'm
Lucky
learning
you.
a lot today. So I would sprinkle nutmeg out of a little traditional spice container, but you looked like you had a chunk of nutmeg. Was that right?
No, nutmeg is shaped like this. Looks like a big nut. It's its own thing. And freshly grated has a little stronger flavor.
Okay.
Spices you should only keep about a year in a cool, dry place. Most people keep them in there for decades. But nutmeg, I grate fresh. It just has better flavor.
Nice.
There you go.